My dear friends, welcome to A1 Aptitude Academy. In today's video, we will learn the performance of Quant India Small Cap Fund. In our previous videos, we have compared different types of small cap funds and some sectoral funds. So in this video, we will take a specific fund which is Quant India Small Cap Fund. So we reach to our money control website and see performance of this fund. Hindi version of this video has already been uploaded. If you are comfortable in Hindi, you can watch that video. But if you can't understand Hindi, then this video is for you. Okay, this is Quant India, Quant Small Cap Fund. Okay, Tech Plan Growth. So first of all, we will compare its performance with Nifty 50. So in money control, you can find this thing. So this is the performance of the fund as in comparison to Nifty 50. This is last 1 year performance. So in last 1 year, this fund has given 94.34% returns, while Nifty 50 has given only 61.51% returns. So we can compare it in 5 years also. Let's compare its 5 years performance with Nifty. So this is a performance. Okay, in 5 years this fund has given 24% returns while Nifty has given 17% returns. So in case of 5 years this fund is has given huge returns as compared to Nifty 50. So we can see performance of this fund, okay, in 5 years. So this blue line is for the fund and this orange line is for Nifty 50. You can see in starting this fund was lower performance as compared to Nifty 50, but in 2021 this has crossed Nifty 50 and started giving better returns than Nifty 50. This happened in 2021 and since then it has always beaten the Nifty. Okay, so this was performance of fund as compared to Nifty. Now we see the performance of fund, okay, in absolute returns and annualized returns. So in absolute returns this fund has given 1 week, for 1 week it has given 5% returns, then in 1 month it has given 4% returns, then in 3 months it has given 8.93, and in 6 months it has given 19% returns. These are absolute returns. So we are not interested in YTD. Now we switch to 1 year returns. So in 1 year it has given huge returns, 95% returns. Then in 2 years it has given absolute 249% returns. Okay. In 3 years it has given 177. Okay. In 3 years 177% returns. Okay. Then in 5 years it has given 200% returns. And since inception it has given 333% returns. Okay, so its date of inception was 7th Jan 2013. That means it is approximately 9 years old fund, and in 9 years it has given 333% absolute returns. So in annualized form it has given 17% returns. Okay, so when we compare this fund with our SBI small cap fund, which had given 25% return, these returns are less than SBI small cap fund. Okay, since its inception. Okay, now this is category average. So category average is 25%. That is better than this fund in since inception. Now compare category average In 5 years terms, it is better than category average. Okay. So nowadays this fund is giving very good returns. So you can see its rank. Okay, in its rank in this category. So this is in first rank in, okay, first rank in last week. Here also first rank, then here also first rank. Okay, this is first, this is first, this is second, this is fourth, this is 27th. Okay, so we can see that rank is not constant, it is changing from time to time. So we also see the SIP performance. Okay, when you invest rupees 1000, okay, per month in this fund, so this is the performance of rupees 1000. Okay, you had invested 12,000, then this was your latest value. Okay, when you invest in 1 year, in 1 year, last year you had invested 12,000. So okay, in last 1 year you had invested 12,000, then your total value will be 16,000 something. Okay, if you had invested starting from last 5 years, okay, that means 10th January 17, then in absolute terms your value will be this. Okay, you had invested 60,000 and your value will be 1,64,000. Okay, in 5 years terms these are very good returns, but these are less than your SBI small cap returns. Okay, so SBI small cap has given very good returns when we take a horizon of last 5 years. Okay, in last 1 years this fund has given better returns than SBI small cap fund. Okay, but both of these funds are given larger returns as compared to Nifty 50 when we compare it for last 5 years. So this is the portfolio of this fund. You can see the number of companies. Okay, so we directly come to companies. So first is ITC. Okay, it is tobacco cigarettes related company, or you can say that consumer. Okay, then India Bulls Real Estate. Okay, India Bulls Real Estate. Then Arvind fashion related or fabric related. Then we have Bank of India for banking. Then we have India Cement from cement side. Then Linde Industries. This is oxygen cylinder supplier. Okay. Then it is Shilpa Medicos, again medical company, pharmaceutical. So this is the main portfolio of this fund. So this was all about your Quant India, Quant Small Cap Fund. Okay. If you like the video, then hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel for such valuable videos. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.